Hey, what up guys, what's going on? Switcher I'm here and we're back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a all-time timeless cut that's always been around. It's going to be a beginner's level cut that anyone can do with just a little bit of practice. So if looking to cut your friend's hair or maybe do it yourself, this is a good haircut to begin with. So right here I'm using my number 3 guard. However, you can use number 2, number 4, or just whatever guard that you feel like you want to go with, but in this video we're doing number 3. So on the sides here, we're just going straight off the head. We're not digging inwards at the top where it curves in. When you do this, you can feel where the highest point is, and you're just going straight off the head. So the reason why we're going straight up is because we want to keep the head shape more squared up. However, if you dig inward, it's going to be more of a rounded look, which some people prefer, but normally the square look is the way to go. Now in this particular case, you can see me kind of combing down the hair. You don't have to do this, but however, his hair is so light that my clippers don't really catch on to the hair. That's why I need a bit of assistance from my comb just to push it into the clippers. So now after we did the number 3 all around the head going straight up, we're doing a technique now called scissor over comb. Now I have my thinning shears here, and I'm just using the comb to comb upwards, and with the scissors I'm only cutting the ends. And what this does is it really softens up any areas that I've missed with the clippers, and this really ensures that everything is perfectly even. For those of you who are new, this might take a little bit of practice, but once you get it down, you're pretty much set. With our trimmers, we're just cleaning up the sideburns and right around the ears. Simple. You guys can see already how much cleaner the haircut already looks on him just by doing the side of his head. So at the sideburn area here, I kind of want a little bit shorter than the rest of the hair, so I did a number 2 guard open, and we're just going kind of like right above the ear, and I believe we're going to be taking that close to a number 2 and going a little bit lower. now I'm just gonna do the same thing for this back area here, and eventually we're gonna do the same on the other side as well. And you can also see I'm going straight up from the nape area. You'll feel it again once you're doing this motion, but you don't want to be like digging upwards again. So when you take your first section right there, I don't hear anyone talking about this, but when you pull it straight up, you'll normally see like another line from the hair. I don't know how, but it's always there. So that's usually a good guideline of where you want to be cutting. However, it's not always the case, so be wary of special requests or. So how this process works is, when I started from the back, I take about a half-inch section from the front, while at the same time taking back that same initial cut I did to know exactly where I cut, and we're just kind of moving forward with this exact same pattern. Now when you do this all the way to the front, the two sides are going to be a little bit longer, so after that we're going to be doing a little bit of touch-up work. This is mainly because we're pulling everything straight upwards as opposed to cutting it at an angle from the sides. So after drawing the hair, this is what I mean by touching up the sides. As you can see here, this step point right there, it's a little bit longer, so I'm using that same scissor over comb technique. Again with the trimmers, I'm just cutting the edges as I'm combing up the hair. Now there are lots of ways that you can do this without this technique, however I just like to do it like this because I find it much easier and simple. So I'm just checking the hair from many different angles to make sure that however he styles it, it'll still connect properly. guys liked the cut so far, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be posting a lot more regularly now. I'm trying my best to balance everything out, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Many more is to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and appreciate everyone for sticking around all the way to the end, and I'll see you guys next time.